Hello, teacher. Hilary, it is my presentation. About myself. My name is Milton René Meneses. I'm married to Diana Marcela Urbano, and my daughters are called Luciana and Ariana. I'm 32 years old. I work on a cattle farm, and I'm studying zootechnics at UNAT. Also, in my free time, I like to study, read, play soccer, or sometimes I prefer to watch TV. My hometown. I live in Isnos, and I'm going to talk about this great town. Isnos is a small town located in Huila, Colombia. It is a tourist town, and there is a big statue named Doble Yo in archaeological park Alto de las Piedras. Also, in my town there are many tourist places like Alto de las Piedras, Alto de los Ídolos, Alto de Bordones, Salto del Mortiño, and Arco de las Jarras. Often these places are very visited, usually by foreigners of different nationalities. Tourist stays are really close, usually on Tuesdays, to give the stay a day off. Main celebrations. In June 29, people usually celebrate the Bambuco Payen, and folkloric festival. People sometimes go out with their family and dance and eat typical food as the asado huilense. The asado huilense is prepared with pork meat, fried jaca, avocado, corn cake, and sauces. Finally, in my town, you can visit archaeological park, enjoy the food, visit recreational farms, and the Medardo Garcia Museum. Work hard and relax. I hope you can visit in Sunday. Thank you.